In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about avoiding common foundation issues and landscaping mistakes that can seriously mess with your home's stability and curb appeal. So, first off, always check the soil and ground conditions before starting any big project around your house. Like, if the soil is unstable or too soft, your foundation could crack or shift over time. You want to make sure the ground can actually hold up what you're building, so don't skip this step. Next, think about drainage like it's your home's lifeline. Water pooling near your foundation is a fast track to leaks and damage. Creating proper slopes away from your house and installing gutters that direct water far enough can save you a ton of trouble. When you're doing landscaping, don't just throw plants anywhere. Some trees have roots that grow deep and wide and can mess with your foundation or pipes. Pick plants with root systems that won't cause problems later on. Also, keep heavy stuff like large rocks or structures off the edges of your foundation since they can add extra pressure. If you're putting in a driveway or patio, use materials that allow water to seep through so you're not just pushing water toward your house. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. Inspect your foundation and landscaping every few months so you can catch small issues before they turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring soil and ground conditions because they don't realize how much it affects the whole foundation. Another common issue is overlooking drainage. If water isn't directed properly, it can cause flooding and serious structural damage over time. And then there's poor landscaping planning where folks plant big trees too close or use materials that trap water near the foundation. The fix here is simple. Always get a soil test before building. Set up good drainage systems like French drains or swales, and choose plants wisely based on their root behavior and water needs. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right person for your job. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to score new projects and build their client base without wasting time chasing leads on their own.